Hi, I'm Kevin and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dehydrated hummus for the backcountry. It's a super easy recipe to make. It lasts a long time without refrigeration. It cuts weight in your pack and it tastes just awesome. So spreads like hummus or peanut butter or jam for that matter are all really great on a backcountry trip. They're very convenient if you want to stop quickly, make a quick lunch, and keep moving. They also pack a lot of energy, but unfortunately spreads contain a lot of liquid and so they're very heavy and weigh down your pack. Today I'm going to make a dehydrated version of hummus that packs light and tastes just as good as regular hummus after it rehydrates. This is what you're going to need to make dehydrated backcountry hummus. You're going to want some garlic, a lemon, a can of chickpeas, a teaspoon each of ground cumin and paprika, and some tahini. So just what is tahini? Well, tahini is a paste or a puree made from ground sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds. The problem with them, though, is that they're high in fat. The USDA website indicates that they are about 57% fat by weight. Now, the problem with fat in dehydrated foods is that fat does not dehydrate. In fact, it can actually go rancid. It's pretty rare, especially at low concentrations, but it can happen. Check out my video right here on fat in dehydrated foods to learn more. A little bit of fat in a dehydrated meal that will be stored for a short period of time has never been a problem for me. I try and have 2% or less fat in my dehydrated meals, and I also try and use a more stable fat if possible. If you're going for long-term storage without refrigeration, I would recommend leaving the tahini out of this recipe. Now let's get on with the prep. These dehydrated chunks of hummus are all packaged up and ready to go for the backcountry. If you want to take the extra step and run them through a blender or a clean coffee grinder to turn them into a powder, you can do that. They will rehydrate a little bit faster, probably 2 or 3 minutes of soaking time will turn them into hummus. As they are now in these chunks, probably 5 or 10 minutes of soaking time will give you a nice, smooth hummus. If you're into this kind of thing, you might be interested in checking out my book, Backcountry Eats. It's a great resource on how to dehydrate food for backcountry camping. The first 100 pages are all about how to dehydrate food, what sort of equipment you need, and meal planning, that kind of thing. The last 120 pages are all great recipes like this one. You can find Backcountry Eats on Amazon, and I'll put some links below in the description as well. Now, normally when I'm rehydrating something like hummus in the backcountry, I'm going to do it in a tight-fitting jar. That way, if I have any left over, I'm going to be able to carry it forward to the next day, no problem. But since we're doing a video, let's do it in a nice open bowl so you get to see. So it's really quite simple. I'm going to take some hummus out of this bag, dump it into the bowl. That should be lots. Then I'm going to take some water and just put a little bit in and mix it up. So I know I haven't put enough water in here. That's on purpose. I want to add water slowly so I don't add too much. I can always add a little more hummus later if I have extra. Now this looks like about the right ratio. I've added a little more water. I still have chunks. If I had powdered this hummus, it would already be looking more like hummus. So this is looking pretty good. It's been soaking for about 5 minutes. There's still a few chunks in there. I could let it soak a little bit more, but I'm going to try and bash those chunks up and give it a quick little taste. That's pretty good. It's not quite hummus yet. Hummus needs a little bit of oil, and so I always bring some olive oil on my camping trips. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in there and mix this up. And let it sit another minute or two, and that'll be my final product. So this is done rehydrating. It's been about 10 minutes since I first added the water. It's nice and smooth. It's looking like real hummus. Let's see if it tastes like real hummus. That's really, really good. I taste the garlic. I taste the lemon, even though it's been through the dehydrator. I taste the tahini. Really, really good hummus. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please hit like, share, and subscribe. As always, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.